In designing a custody transfer metering system, accuracy is key, especially in highly congested harbors. Endress & Hauser helps customers achieve operational excellence and zero product loss at oil and gas terminals. 3 strategic import-export hubs of Tanzania have now achieved their goals. Thanks to successful performance and customer satisfaction, an existing 24-inch pipeline with a capacity of 2,000 cubic meters per hour imports gas oil into the country. The new system is skid-based for transportation in standard containers and to ease the installation on site. As this is a turnkey project, Endress & Hauser will provide a wide range of services, including civil works, site installation, commissioning and startup. Endress & Hauser has designed a fully redundant unit which goes from the pipe to the printer. ProMass X is the highest capacity 4-tube flow meter with a compact, easily accessible transmitter. The Endress & Hauser ProMass X, the largest Coriolis meter of its kind, is the optimal choice when both high flow rates and low pressure losses are required. Motor-operated valves make operation easy and safe for filter and stream changeover. Once the batch is started, the gas oil enters the system through the inlet manifold, where it is filtered by a basket strainer. Alarms help the operator recognize when the filter is clogged. The heart of the system is the Coriolis meter, which measures mass due to its physical principle. A control valve is used to control the flow rate and make a periodic meter proving. Before the gas oil leaves the custody point, it is sampled using an automatic system. The isokinetic probe and the flow proportional sampling method ensure that a sample is representative of the entire batch. Endress & Hauser can supply the metering systems with all necessary equipment and configurations for a complete standalone solution. The operator room is separated from the electrical equipment and has its own access. Operators can conveniently monitor and control the metering system from the supervisory computers. In addition, all relevant data is sent to the cloud so that it can be accessed via mobile phone or tablet. Endress & Hauser is a reliable partner for complex solutions. With more than 25 years of experience and many projects completed worldwide, we can help our customers overcome their custody transfer challenges.